Hey everyone, welcome back to the Santos collection. Today we are working on my 2004 CRF450. This dirt bike has been a new project of mine. It's a lot of fun to ride. I enjoy it. It's an absolute monster. However, the problem that we're having today is that the throttle cable is sticking. And whenever I'm riding or if I let someone ride, I have to make sure that they know to pull the throttle back or else you'll go into a tree. So in today's video, that's what we are going to replace. It's not that hard of a task to do. As you can see here, I have the cable. The two cables, the bad one and the original one. So here on the bad cable, you can see, if it focuses, okay, you can see that it's been pinched, a little bit melted off the header. It just happens over time, and whenever you try to pull the cable, it's completely stuck. It does not move at all. It moves, but you have to really pull on it. It doesn't just snap back. And as you can see here on the new cable, it's completely loose. You can just pull the pull cable right through. We are going to go ahead and change this cable out. It's not that difficult of a task. And I'll let you guys just watch me work, and I'll come back towards the end. So next thing we're going to work on is air filter. Since I already have everything off, I went ahead and just purchased one. And we're going to go ahead and just take off the old air filter. As you can see, it's all oily and greasy and just old. And I'm going to go ahead and swap it with the new one that's green right there next to it. All you have to do is just scrape off all the old junk off of it. Over time, it's just sitting with the oil and dirt and grime. So I'm just taking my razor blade, just cleaning off a lot of that old air filter. Now that we have everything pretty much buttoned up, as you can see, it went fairly smooth. So I want to take it for a ride around the block to show you guys that the throttle cable snaps back perfectly. Alright, this concludes the video for today. It's a quick video for you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the Santos collection, and I'll see you guys next time.